guys, welcome back to Gearhead Chronicles. Today I received another important package for my build. If you didn't watch the previous video, here is the sum up. So for those who didn't watch the previous videos, first I will go and check them. And here is the sum up. So what I'm doing is manual swapping GS300 Lexus. It's a 1998 GS300 Sport with a 2JZ in, 2JZ GE. And I had the two choices. Either do boost, turbo it, or I do manual swap. I think it will be more fun if it's a manual swap first and then I go turbo. Right, anyway, so I got a package here. It comes from Poland. It's from a company called Adamat. Not sponsored, I paid for it. God knows I paid hand and leg, but it's worth it. It took around a month to arrive and have it done because it's a build to order. They don't have them in stock as far as I know. At least not this type. And I'm still waiting for other parts like the cross member for the gearbox, which is custom made as well. That is still on its way. Last update what I heard, it's in powder coating. And let's hope it will get here as soon as possible so I can already start it. Alright guys, so let's open it. Let's have a look how this kit look like. Ready? Your peanuts. Okay, so on the top we got our bag with the hardware. Here is some kind of centering tool or something like that. Lots of bolts. Here we have our mid plate. So this is one of the most important parts, isn't it? And it's engraved compatible with 1JZ, 2JZ, GE, and GTE. BMW ZFs, 8HP P50, 8HP 70, 8HP 75, 76, N57, M57N. D4G, D43, D57, D53, GS6 53DZ, that's ours, JGG, JGO. So we have a JGO. So this last line, that's us. GS6 53DZ, JGO. Yeah, that's our box. And obviously it's a JGG and a HB7 compatible. Right, I don't wanna put it apart, but let's see if I don't have to take it off the cardboard. This inside. Yeah, I don't have to. Okay, so it's got our guidance pins in there, and look at this work. It's no sharp edges on it. It's nicely done. Perfect. All right, so next thing inside should be our clutch with a custom flywheel. I believe that's pre-assembled, but I will have to put it apart anyway in order to install it. Ooh, heavy boy. Oh man, these peanuts will be everywhere. Yeah, there's peanuts everywhere. There's no two ways about it. What else is in there? Bearing. Aw, what a disappointment. Not even sticker. So what we basically have here is BMW clutch. Yeah, it's in there. BMW clutch. Sandwich between this custom-made flywheel with the gear ring. And your pressure plate, which I believe it's all balanced. Yeah, it's all balanced. That's where they have the markings here and everything. So once you put it apart, you should assemble the same way as it was. So I'm wondering, so we have this bearing for your gearbox. So this is the new bearing. What's that? And we get this fork. You get this fork. So these are separated for some reason. And I'm not sure what is still this piece. If it's not, it doesn't have any. It's not a fork pin. Does it go in here? Seems to be. Yeah, well, looks like it goes there. It's like a centerpiece for that. But it's, yeah, that's what you get with the Adamat. I'm not sure why they did send the fork, but they didn't send the pin for it, brand new. So I'm not sure about that though. It looks it's grinded. Some customized. It's customized. So yeah, they just send you this piece of hardware. You get your fork. You get your 3 baggies of bolts. Then you get your custom flywheel with the ring, with the gear ring for the starter. You get your clutch in there. You get your pressure plate. So this is all BMW stuff, and this is custom made. And then this is the masterpiece. They have to make this one from scratch. Alright guys, so yeah. So this part is in. As I said, we're still waiting for the cross member for the gearbox to be able actually to put it in, because the clutch pedal is in here. I got the clutch pedal. I finished the handbrake relocation. That's done as well. So basically now what is left to do is install the clutch pedal and fit the gearbox in, because I have the gearbox. I have the clutch kit now. After the gearbox is in, only what is left is to order the custom propeller shaft. Alright guys, so this is the next important part, which it's not possible to do the manual swap without. That's the Adamat kit. There is other kits on the market, but I did like this one just because of the custom flywheel, that I don't have to use the flex plate from the automatic gearbox in order to have a starter. And yeah, there is no manual with this. There is no even sticker with this thing. Yeah, it just came in a box. Here you go, do whatever. So I will go ahead and try to check their website for torque specs if they have any. If no, then I will reach out and ask them what is the torque specs for the plate, for the thing, because there is nothing in that box, not even sticker. As I said, no manuals, no stickers, no nothing. So I need to reach out to them and ask what is what, because it is expensive to do. Yeah, it is expensive to do. So far, before I even install that, I'm looking around £2,500 to do this. I know in the car tuning, in the car scenes, it's cheap actually, but not for everyone. Anyway, I digress. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!